Module 1. A Change Management Perspective. In this module, we will look at what the research says. Contributing factors to success and improving success rates. Research tells us that failure rates of change initiatives, more particularly, where change achieves substantially less than the expected value, have been reported as high as 70 to 80%. However, a few top-performing organizations experience success rates in excess of 80%. The variable criteria and measures typically used in these studies make it difficult to draw definitive conclusions about the failure rates and their causes. Nevertheless, the continuing consistent, accumulated evidence from CEOs, project and change managers through a wide range of sources does point to the reality that very many change efforts do fail. Factors contributing to success. Companies effective at all three levels of senior, mid, and frontline captured an average of 143% of the expected value. A study printed by PricewaterhouseCoopers in 2004 found an undeniable correlation between project performance, maturity level, and change management. The majority of the best performing and most mature organizations always or frequently apply change management to their projects. For key activities which make change effective. 1. Prepare by gaining deep, realistic insight into the complexity of the change and plan accordingly. 2. Use a robust change methodology aligned with a project management methodology. 3. Build and apply skills in sponsors, change managers, and empowered staff. 4. Invest appropriately in change management. They also found that the success rate of change projects using a dedicated change manager rose by 19% compared to those that did not. Factors contributing to success continued. A close relationship between effectiveness of change management programs and the proportion of projects meeting or exceeding objectives. Those change management programs rated good or excellent had an above 80% success rate. Those rated poor or fair achieve less than 50%. Effective change management delivers improved adoption speed, utilization rate, and employee proficiency, stressing the importance of effective preparation for change, disciplined management, clear reinforcement, and careful handover. 6 to 9 months after project launch, projects with change management input were delivering significant performance improvements, financial results, and behavioral change. A majority of the respondents attributed over 20% of the success directly to effective change management. Improving success rates depends on the need for the organization's executive leadership, or an equivalent local group relevant to more localized change, to define and understand deeply. Firstly, the nature and impact of a proposed change, and secondly, the organization's capacity and capability to undertake it. The importance of clarity about the various ways in which the organization expects to benefit from the change. The way that stakeholders are identified and strongly connected to the change through a variety of communication practices. The way that change and project management practices are aligned and managed, matching them to the size and structure of the organization. How individuals and teams can be supported through the change by good leadership, appropriate training, and great facilitation. Advocacy of best practice across the organization, supported by effective information gathering, relevant case studies, and application of lessons learned from past change initiatives. End of module. In this module, we have touched on what industry research tells us about change initiatives. We then looked at the factors that contribute to the success of change initiatives, and also how success rates can be improved. In the next module, we will be looking at change and the individual.